On today's menu, a saucy noodle dish you can really serve up. Delicious sweet chili noodles. Lei Homa, that's how's it going in Cantonese. I'm Yeung from YoungManCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. These noodles are definitely delicious enough to become one of your favorite noodles to make all the time. Let's begin. Bring a pot of water to boil for the noodles. Four pieces of garlic, thinly sliced. Slice the ginger into thin matchsticks. One large red Thai chili, thinly sliced. You can de-seed that pepper to lower the spiciness, but of course you can leave the seeds in to give it that extra heat and that spicy kick. Now when you're going out to buy the pepper, general rule of thumb, the bigger the pepper, the more mild it'll be. Slice half a red onion. These are Chinese chives. It has a little bit of a garlicky flavor and a really robust kind of green onion texture. Chop about 30 grams of Chinese chives into bite-sized sticks. Chop one small carrot into thin matchsticks. Right, so this is a bit of an unusual item, and quite frankly, first time I saw them, they actually look a little intimidating, but these are long green beans, super crunchy. I guarantee you, once you start trying these, you will absolutely love them. Remove the ends from the long green beans. Then chop about 130 grams into bite-sized sticks. The noodles we'll be using today are these amazing rice vermicelli noodles. Now these are actually a lot thicker than the rice vermicelli noodles used in, say, the Singapore noodles. I absolutely enjoy using these noodles for either soups or stir fries because they have this really satisfying elasticity to them and this beautiful texture. I usually don't have a lot of luck with following the package instructions on these particular noodles. This one says to boil them for 5 minutes, but I usually find that you have to boil them for much longer than that. So definitely after, say, 5 minutes, check them. You may actually have to boil them for a lot longer. Boil the noodles to package instructions, but check them for doneness. Remember to stir the noodles occasionally to keep them from sticking. Now you can use other noodles to substitute for these ones. It doesn't have to be this particular brand. Perhaps you'd like to use a thick udon noodles, which will also work really well. Now, of course, if you love easy and delicious recipes, then definitely check out or get your copy of the cookbooks, the Young Man Cooking merch, or the Plant-Based Sushi Masterclass. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check out all those things. Now, let's make that delicious stir-fry sauce. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon plant-based oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, stir to combine. When the noodles are done, strain and rinse in some cold water. Sauté pan, medium heat. Now this of course would not be Yeung cooking complete without the use of some delicious, smoky, not too spicy chili oil I made in the previous episode. Looks like I have to make a little bit more myself, but I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check this out. Make this really easily at home. 2 tablespoons chili oil. Red onions, chili pepper, garlic and ginger. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Carrots and long green beans. Saute for another 3 to 4 minutes. $60 grams Shimeji mushrooms. Saute for about a minute. Chinese chives. Saute for another minute. Noodles. Sauce. Saute for another couple of minutes for the noodles to absorb the sauce. Turn the heat off and add a handful of fresh Thai basil. Fold in the basil and it's done. Plate. Sprinkle on top some white sesame seeds and serve. You can now make this unique noodle dish with absolute confidence. Nothing beats a great bowl of noodles. Look at that. Boy, that is definitely an epic party I'd like to attend. You get this incredible explosion of flavor that has that spicy, the sweet, the salty, the phenomenal umami from the mushrooms, the soy sauce, the dark soy sauce, but the incredible balance between the spicy and that sweetness, the chili sweet kind of flavor is really just to die for. And you get that really unique kind of aromatic lift from the amazing Thai basil. The long green beans really adds that kind of crunchy freshness. That thinly sliced garlic just adds so much incredible flavor along with those kind of caramelized red onions. The Chinese chives adds into that freshness as well as a little of that aroma. The red Thai chili pepper is just phenomenal. It adds a slight sweetness, a little acidity of course. It also adds that heat and that spicy kick. This is such a delightful plate of noodles. I don't think there is such thing as a shortage of amazing noodle recipes. If you love easy and delicious recipes like this, then definitely check out the ramen cookbook, the Cook with Confidence cookbook, Yeung cooking merch, as well as the plant-based sushi masterclass. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check out all these things, pick up your copies of the cookbooks, and of course, as always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.